Assalamu alaikum friends, I'm your mentor Furqan Shahid and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a smooth brush for artwork. Here you can see there is an icon of brush. You can take a brush by clicking on this icon and you can use this brush by using your mouse. As you can see that it's working, but it's as you see that it's not a smooth brush for artwork, for vector tracing. So I have to use a artwork for a vector tracing or in making different kind of logos. So for making it we have to do something. We'll take ellipse tool, drag it like this, and you know that brush has a stroke, so we have to fill it by clicking this swap fill. Now you can see it has been filled. Now taking direct selection tool, we select this ellipse circle, and now we'll go in here brush definition. Now click here new brush. Now I'm going in art brush, click OK and click OK. Now you can see that we have made a smooth art brush. Now use this. I can see we have made a simple smooth art brush for vector tracing or any artwork, but this way you can make it. You have to double click on paintbrush tool, and here you can increase or decrease smoothness of your brush tool. Click OK. Now I can make it simply. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for new videos related to Adobe Photoshop and different kind of related information based videos. Thank you very much.